Hey guys, today I will be showing you guys how to install an aux cord into your car if you don't have an aux cord in your car like I do. See this? My radio has no aux cord. So like if you guys have a car that is old and has an old radio that doesn't have an aux cord, then you've come to the right video. First of all, you really don't need an aux cord. All you need is this. Oops, it's upside down. So basically what this is a FM transmitter. So basically what it does is you go to a radio station, so whatever radio station you choose here, it will transmit the music from your phone to the radio station. Here, I'll show you guys real quick. Basically this is like a headphone. Just plug it in and you can adjust the volume on the phone and also on the radio. Okay, so all you gotta do is turn it on the side here, on, and then what you'll see is it's gonna turn red on one of the dots. It's kind of bright out, so it's kind of hard to see. Hold up. Okay, well basically it's on the 90 and 5. So what you gotta do is go on your radio and go on 90 and 5. At first, if it's not on, it's gonna get all staticky. So turn it on. Next, you can turn on your music. See, it works perfectly. You can adjust the volume here too.
You want to know just where I'm at? Well, let me tell you about it.
You can pick any song you want and turn it on, like this.
Every day I spend my time drinking wine, feeling fine.
You can also adjust it.
Feeling fine, waiting here to find.
Getting out of my emotions.
Every day I spend my time drinking wine, feeling fine, waiting here to find the sign that I can understand. Yes, I am.
So every day I spend.
Yeah, that's basically it. Basically, if you buy this is gonna save up to like $30, and it's gonna save you time from removing all of this to changing a new one, because a new radio would cost you at least $60 to $50 depending on your car, and it's gonna take up like so much of your time. But with this, all you gotta do is buy it and buy like AAA batteries. It's the little ones. See, AAAs. Basically, that's gonna save so much time and money, and it's so much better than buying a new radio. Well, I hope this video helped you guys out. Yeah, like if you guys have any more like questions, I'll give you guys more videos on these potholes. Thank you.